guys, let's do this. In the previous lessons we create a mini project that was beautiful. Today we are going to learn about Python list. List is a list. You put many items in it. Each one has a key. You can use it. Let's see what it's right. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Lists are one of 4 built-in data types in Python used to store collection of data. The other 3 are tuple, set, and dictionary, all with different quality and usage. Okay, how we create a list. The syntax for creating a list is very simple and it's easy to make. How we make it, we just write, for example, here any name you want. For example, kickstart, for example. And when we put these two things here, I don't know how to call them, but okay, hello. Now we click two things here and then put many items as we want. Sorry everyone, many items as we want or needed in our list. For example, how we put numbers in it, and it's important to it's important to divide your items by the how I divide. Okay, now when we run this list, we can print it. If we print the list, it's going to give us the items that are in the list. Why it's making error? I don't understand. Oh, okay, sorry, it can't be like this. If we print it, it's going to give us all the items in the list. If we print the len of it, it's going to tell us how many items in the list are. Okay, let's see what len give us. It's going to give us 9. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 items are in the list. And we can also create a list. For example, think we create an A equal to 20, B equal to 30, and we can create a list and call it A and B. And when we print the list, it's going to give us 20 and 30. We can give variables in the list too. Okay, let's see what we have. List items are from 0 to 1. We can individually call the list items by this easy command. We just put this thing here and press the key of place of the item. And it's like this. For example, let me give you a lessons here. Each item in list have a key number, and it's like this. How we can call it? For example, let's say we call print kickstart. When we call 0, it's going to give us 1. If we call 5, it's going to give us 7. If we call 8, it was going to give us 7. If we gave it, for example, 1, 2, 2, it's like a string. If we 1 to 3, it's going to give us 1, 2, not 3. Or we can also give it minus numbers. It's going to give us 7. Minus 2 minus. It has many options you can use. For example, 1 to 10. It's going to give us the thing we have. Okay, let's see what we have. The list items, we can call them by index. They are ordered. It means the item has been defined ordered. The lists are changeable. We can change the list. How we can? And we can also duplicate the list. We can have 2 items in a list. We have here 27 we have here, 27, you see that. We see the list len, file len, we can get list item. You see how it's going to, in this program, it has the list items. You see it print all the list items. We can have a list with a string, integer, boolean, all three type in, and with type it gave us the list type. We can also make something list by this command. I don't really use that, but we have this command. Okay, let's go and take the exam. What would be the result of the first go? We tell that it's 0, it's 1 index, it's 2. Because of that, it's banana. My list 2, 0, 1, 2. What is it? Banana. Why? Because the duplicate is important. List item cannot be removed after the list has been created. The lists are changeable, so it can remove. Sorry, I tell the right thing and answer the wrong thing. Select the correct function for returning the number of the item in list. Print. How we can? We just simply print len. Okay, let's go to next. We can access list items, but because list is so complicated, we are going to make it 2 or 3 lessons. And tomorrow we are going to learn about access list items, change list items, and go down and down. Until tomorrow, don't forget to like and subscribe. Ask me if you need anything in the comment. I will answer you. And until then, have a good time.